What is going on, guys? Harley here. Welcome back to Mixed Reviews. Today we have one I'm excited about because it's in my wheelhouse. I am a coffee drinker. I drink espresso every single morning. And so when we got this mini espresso, I think it's actually called a Minipresso, when we got this off of Amazon, I was excited to try it out. So let's see if it holds a candle to the Nespresso, to real espresso you get in a coffee shop. So I'm excited to test it. We got the product right over here. The Wakako, I like Wakako Minipresso GR. It's a portable little on-the-go espresso machine. It only weighs about 0.8 pounds, and you can shove it in your backpack, put it in your car, wherever you need to go. You can bring it with you. So we're gonna be reviewing this, but as the channel says, mixed reviews, we need to mix something up first. I think we're doing mango margaritas today. So let's go mix that up right now.
Next time you need to get something beside that stupid ass cup for the brand. I'm serious.
Thank you.
Cheers. That's good. Cool. So, let's unbox this thing. Let's see what we got. Nice little case. Some branding. Stick that on. The instruction manual, but let's try to go without it. I think this is the warranty card. So, let's pop her open. Unclasp the lid. Add ground coffee. We don't have ground coffee.
Nope.
We'll be right back. Let's see what we need. Add coffee ground. I'm kind of intimidated by this thing, actually. So it comes out of here. Out here we have the little scoop. Filler cup. Figure out how this thing works. So we need to add the coffee to here. We need hot water also. Make sure I get this right. Unclisp the cup. Add ground coffee. So coffee goes in here. Unscrew that. Remove the filter basket. Unscrew the water tank. Remove the scoop from the water tank. Fill the scoop with coffee. Position the filter basket over the scoop. Now put the filter back in the main part of the body. Put it in there. Okay, locked and loaded. Then add boiling water to the tank. Where do you put the hot water? This thing is, it's written in so many languages. What is going on? Okay, so now we add the hot water to the max line. And then we screw this main body back on. I think that's in. Then we're supposed to take this and, oh, wow, it's happy to see me. Okay, start pumping. The first 6 strokes, I feel like this is a little too sexual for a coffee instruction. The first 6 strokes, the pressure is built, pump until all the coffee come out. Nothing like Amazon instructions. I'm like 12 strokes deep now and there's nothing coming out. Oh! Sounds like I'm killing like a bird. Okay, I think we're good. Now I think we can try it. Smells like coffee. That's actually, I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad for what I just did to get it. I don't know, I'd give this thing like a 7 out of 10. I'm pretty impressed with it. If you're hiking, if you're traveling, if you're on the go in your backpack, like, for what just happened, I'm pretty impressed. What do we spend on this? Like 40 bucks? 40 bucks, I'd say it's worth it. 50 bucks, I mean, I don't know, it's up to you. But for 40 bucks to be able to get coffee on the go, you definitely save yourself money over going to like a Starbucks or something like that. If you just plan on drinking straight espresso. If you're gonna mix it, I mean, you're gonna have to bring the milk and everything with you, but that's up to you. This thing's pretty cool. And then I'm assuming you just lock this thing back in, and you're done. I'd consider buying one, but until next time, guys, thanks for joining. Leave us a comment down below. What do you want us to review? What do you want me to drink? Tell us. We're happy to do it. We're looking for ideas. Until next time, guys. Peace.